YouTube? It's your boy Cruising with Drew, and we're back with another video. Alright gang, so we out here today at my boy Kev and Osama shop. We out here really just chilling, man. We got some stuff to do to the whips. Damn man, that was messed up. We got some stuff to do to the whips. Also my boy Damien out here too. Turn the camera around so y'all can see his truck. I'll probably have to B-roll some of this stuff, man, because we're doing some tuning. That's that man Kevin Lamar, that man behind all the music. Man over there, that's the man. This is the owner of the truck right here. I tell y'all, man, this thing get loud, man. This thing definitely get loud. It's a pretty butterfly. But yeah, shit. Got the dolphin out here, aka Flipper. Oh, my boy Osama got his shit out here too. He got his shit out here too. Hold on, walk around the front and show y'all. And they put that fence up fast. They putting that fence up. I know y'all probably can hear that music too, man. Oh yeah, man. Hey man, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the videos, man. Like I said before, we ain't doing them to bring it straight bangers. To the ones that subscribe, man, I appreciate all y'all, man. I appreciate all the love that y'all show me. Last video so far is at 5.1K views. Go to that video, man. It's my last video when I was in South Boston, Virginia. Man, let's get that video to 10K views, man. Well, yeah, it's my boy Osama joint. Pete Shiesty. That motherfucker like that. Y'all see my boy shit, man. And he do that race car shit too. Y'all see that shit. That be hitting. Man. Also, man, y'all need any body work, motor work, anything like that, man. Make sure y'all hit up my boy Osama, man. On Facebook, I think it's Osama Dex. I got a pin down his Instagram. He got an Instagram as well too. He also working on this bad boy here. When this motherfucker drop, he on y'all ass, I'm telling you. He on y'all ass, man. But yeah. Well, just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a few. I guess when they start like doing more to the cars and stuff, I'll cut y'all back on. Until then, peace. Yeah, gang, so I think he just messing with the tunes and stuff right now. I think we have to go to another spot so we can really like cut the car up and really hear everything that's dialed in and what's not dialed in and damn flies, man, and stuff like that. But yeah, just stay tuned, man, and I'll make sure to capture that stuff for y'all. Damn, I had a tongue twister. But yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna capture that footage for y'all, man, and we'll be back. All right, gang, we made it to the next destination. So be prepared. This motherfucker loud. We got the Altima together. Y'all see? Boom, 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 boom. Finna see. I already know this motherfucker loud. I already know. I'm about to D-roll this. Alright, gang, man, we back at the shop. I gotta get some work done to the Altima now. But yeah, shit, let's see what the hell this man Kevin doing. Let's see what he's doing. This is my boy shop. You ready, man?
Yeah. Hit the bottom.
Hit the bottom. I tab it.
We technically closed, but you know, I open up for you. You know what
My boy say he opened up for me, man.
I'm gonna hit the bottom.
That's good hospitality. God damn, man. Y'all need some wheels, deep as hell.
Them the float.
I know. Bring me 5K, y'all can have them. Say no, I'm messing. That's what I want, though. That motherfucking El Camino. I want me an old school, man. I ain't gonna cap to you. Old school and shit. If I get an old school though, man, it's gonna take me some years to get it right. Especially the way I want it. Especially the way I want it. Oh yeah, man. I don't know if y'all seen a new decal. My boy Aaron killed that shit. Cruising with Drew, the Dolphin, with the Crown. Cruising with Drew. Shit, man, I got hair in my mouth. The car got to go back to the shop before Classics. But I still haven't decided if I'm gonna take my car to Classics or I'm just gonna drive my Slider and just take it as a vacation. I don't know, man. Low key, wanna just take it as a vacation. What the fuck was that that just ran across the damn? That was a bird. I low key just wanna take it as a vacation, man, and just chill. But I know if I do that, all my homies, my bad, man, I just broke my damn ankle. I know all my homeboys gonna be like, bro, ain't no point in coming to classes, bro, if you ain't taking your car. Ain't no point in you being here, bro, you ain't bringing your car. Why you here, bro, you ain't bringing your car? I ain't trying to hear that, bro. So I might just pay the bread, get the car transported down there, and shit, we ride, man. We ride. But either way, we definitely gonna have some fun. Probably go hit Disney World while we down there. I don't know, man. We're gonna do some fun shit. Some fun shit. My boy Kev trying to get me to hit the bottle, man. I ain't trying to hit the bottle, man. It's Saturday, man. Even though that don't mean nothing.
Hey, bro. Should get them little white tabs.
Yeah, it came with. Hold on. It came with. Boy, I need to clean this damn car, boy. God damn.
You always need to do that.
Shit junky. Hopefully this fixed the issue, y'all. But yeah, I can't wait.
How much I owe you off the actual Jeep, bro? Because what is supposed to be getting on the ground? Hey, you get here.
Man, look at that. Ooh. Damn, that shit hot. Let's tighten this here. What's this? That's loose. Bro, what the fuck, bro? So over this shit. Hey, bro, what the fuck? Y'all see this, right? Right, it's 4 things in there. I don't know why they ain't snapping on. I don't know. It is what it is. I'm finna sit in this damn shade. I'm finna grab this chair right here. You know, you see what that do say? But my boy Kev, you know what that do say? I ain't drinking shit. We're trying to get this bumper, as y'all can see right here. It's like a big pet peeve of mine. I guess from like going shop to shop to shop to shop. Somebody hit it. I don't know who. I ain't finna be pointing fingers. So this, let me see. It's offline and it's broke. As y'all can see, it's broke. So we're gonna try to get it right. Yeah, damn paint. What is up? We're gonna try to get it right. Hopefully we can get it right. He told me the parts to order. I ordered those parts. So we're gonna see if those work. My bad that I'm ducking. Trying to hide from this damn bright ass sun. This sun bright as fuck. And it's like hot. So yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a few. So yeah. Peace. That motherfucker tight? Yeah, tight. Y'all, this is who I'll be going to. I'll be needing work done to my car. You know, it take 30 years to respond. He still be getting that shit done.
Take time.
Bro, so that's all I was missing the whole time?
Yeah,
was that piece?
A little clamp that go right here, the other little white piece
yeah.
right here, and a screw right here holds it.
But that thing broke though.
I'ma try to find a washer that's kind of a little bit bigger than that hose.
Yeah.
So when it screws up,
it
holds it flat. Cause the tire don't hit it.
Nah, not at all. Bet. We might be in the game, y'all.
Does my hair look good? No, let me stop.
All y'all gray as hell though.
I know.
I was telling Kenny yesterday, bro. I was like, bro, you got gray hair all over your damn face, man.
Come on, bro. That's wisdom, bro. That's wisdom. It's not old age. It's wisdom.
He was like, bro, you gonna be there soon, bro.
Get yours soon.
That's what happened when niggas turn 40. Kevin like 43.
Bro, I'm not no damn.
Like 46.
That's dirty. That's dirty. Not to mention y'all birthday right after.
Hell yeah. Shit, I turn 33 next year. Oh, hell yeah.
So then I'll put that clip right here.
We back in the game, y'all.
Cause see, that alone will hold it. But this retainer bolt just holds it even better.
Alright.
I just need to find something.
Bro, when I tell you, bro, that shit.
You got 2 screws or 3?
You told me 2.
2? Okay,
Yeah.
So I'm fine.
Hell yeah, man. That shit been bothering me. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all right there, boy. It's like, man, golly. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was because I got it lifted and cut. You know what I'm saying? But shit, I guess not. Shit. I don't know, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. Shit, it's fixed now, so shit. We back in the game, man. We back in the game. It's fixed now, so. I ain't gonna lie, man. I wanna get rid of these. I low-key want some floats. There ain't nothing wrong with them, man. They just dirty as hell. It is super dirty, man. But, like I said, I want some floats. Or I wanna go Ruchis. I found some perfect Ruchis that'll set this car off. That'll set this car off, man. But I ain't gonna cap. I really ain't trying to spend no bread, no more money on this car. I really feel like after I do my lithium bank, I really feel like that's gonna be the last bit of this car. I really want to build something else, man. I really want a Tahoe. But I really, why is this camera not focusing? What the fuck? There you go. I really want a track halt. I ain't gonna cap to you. When I make it with this YouTube shit, like, cause thanks to y'all, I am gonna make it. You feel me? Always speak stuff into existence. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in your dream. But that's gonna be not my first purchase, but like it's gonna be up there. I'm definitely getting me a track halt. And me and my boy Cam gonna have to race. You know what I'm saying? Even though I know I'm gonna win, cause I got the track halt, he got the SRT. You know what I'm saying? But that's my dog though, man. I've been knowing that man since elementary school. But yeah, it's gonna get right.
Can you turn the wheel to the right?
God damn.
No, you gotta start the car. You're not about to do this. Try though.
I tried. Shit, I definitely tried. I ain't gonna catch it. I thought that shit was gonna be something possible to do.
There you go.
Appreciate you, my boy. You sure it ain't gonna pop up?
Am I sure it's not gonna pop out?
All right, bro. Don't.
I mean, you said am I sure? To make sure we were both sure.
Hey, as soon as you pull it, it's just like, boom.
Make sure we both feel comfortable.
I'm like, God. Dang, y'all really can't see the paint that bad, boy.
That's nice and flush for you?
Yeah, hell yeah. It's actually perfect. What y'all think, gang? Perfect? Yep. Yep. My boy be doing that damn thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we back, baby. Now I just gotta, I don't know, man. Me, Jermaine, and Wallace tried to figure this shit out. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this damn grill, man. I don't know what's wrong with this damn. Ooh. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Motherfucking gold busting. Motherfucking gold busting. I ain't gonna count. Motherfucking gold busting, y'all. My boy Care shit right there. No, right there. Boop. That shit go hard. We're gonna try to fix this. I don't know, man. Bro. I just like my stuff perfect. You know what I'm saying? My boy tried. Yeah, I appreciate him 100%. You know what I'm saying? 100%. But I just gotta have that sitting flush, man. Cause it's like when I take a picture, it ain't, I don't know, man. It's like you can see it. You see the difference. So we definitely gonna see if we can fix it. If not, shit, so be it. It is what it is. Oh yeah, that shade, man. Finally in that shade. Well, like I was saying, we can fix it. If not, shit, it is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. But shit, like I said before, man, if y'all haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. See y'all next time. Deuces.
Peace.